To be doing what you call the bicycle crunches, and this is an exercise that targets the tummy muscles, the longitudinal and the ones we call the oblique tummy muscles. One of the most popular questions I get is, how do I get a flat belly? This is part of it, but really it's just part of it. If you just do crunches, 1,000 of them, be on a bad diet and do not do any other exercise, whole body exercise, you won't get the flat tummy you're looking for. So you have to incorporate all other exercises and a good diet to get that tummy you're looking for. So here is how it goes. You get flat on your back, no arcing of the back, and then keep the face looking up to the ceiling, and you get the opposite elbow to come to the opposite knee like this. Crunch like for a second, move to the other one like this, and keep moving and breathing in and out. You have to be very deliberate, and you can feel the tummy tightening. You can make it very fast if you want to just increase your heart rate, but your main thing is strengthening the muscles. Be a bit slow and deliberate, crunching those muscles. I'll do 10 more of this.